King. It is an honor. Why was this important to get out the message of the intersectionality of basketball, your father, and Barack Obama? Because we talked so much about his message of nonviolence. How does that play into the intersectionality of what this movie is about?
It really is about showing people that in order to lead movements, you have to reach people where they are. And of course, during my father's time, people were heavily, especially men, black men at that time, were heavily on the basketball courts. And so he used that as an opportunity to recruit them, bring them into a movement, just as President Obama did the same.
And I mean, it means everything to me for us to be able to screen the film here alongside Dr. Bernice King and to have Dr. King featured in the film and have an untold story about how he used to use the game of basketball to connect in communities is just such an honor. I think with everything that's happening in history nowadays and in the world nowadays, to be able to have a part of King's legacy to be told in this way, connected to basketball, I think is going to inspire youth.
That so many people want to shelter Dr. King behind the pulpit and don't realize how he integrated with the larger community. This is a critical moment because so many times leaders are above the people and never want to be with the people. And he was an amazing model on how to integrate both.
You know, making a great speech from the podium, but they never think about the fact that he was an ordinary human being and that he connected to people in all kind of different ways, in the pool halls, you know, basketball, and I know he loved basketball. In fact, he had a mean left hook, but he was right-handed.
To me, I feel like we're living in a day and time where we should be looking at nonviolent ways in order to connect, and so hopefully this gives, again, people inspiration.
Of finding a common ground of unity, even if we come from different backgrounds, and the Olympic did it through sports, and so did Dr. King.
To be able to say, you don't have to use weapons, you don't even have to use harsh words, like you can literally use kindness and joy and love and connectivity as a way to inspire and to make a difference.
And what has the involvement been with the King Center, and how has that relationship worked so far?
I mean, to have, again, Dr. Bernice King as an executive producer on this film, what stronger involvement can you have than to have her, you know, love the story and give it her blessing and be a part of it? And so, to me, that's the biggest stamp of approval to have her involvement, and then for us to be able to do the screening here, again, means everything.
I am a fan. I am just so grateful every time I come on this sacred space. There's nothing like it in America that helps me to renew my commitment to fulfilling the dream of Dr. King.
Will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood?
We must reflect the spirit and heart of King.
To make America what it ought to be.
To transform unjust systems.
To inspire all of us, we may triumph.
Free at last! Free at last! Thank God Almighty! We are free at last!